Yeah, that's not the nicest weather. So I couldn't be bothered showing the process of pulling it all off, because honestly it is the biggest mission in the world. All of these panels that you can see right here, all of these have to come off to then be able to get the back set to come off, as you can see here. And then once you can get these ones off, you can get the red bit off, and then to get the red bit off, you can actually get to the back. Now you might be asking, what are we doing? Well, if you look right there, those holes are essentially where we have to go. So here we have the seat cowl. I've already gone ahead and actually assembled it, which contains now the locking clamp that we have here. Now comes the great task of actually getting this little guy onto the bike itself. Admittedly, it's a lot smoother, but a lot of work. I already put on the tail tidy, as previously mentioned, but I do not want to have to take that one off. So there we have frame slider. Pretty easy to install it was. As you can see here, I didn't bother showing the process of actually putting in the bolts that frame slider connects onto, but basically it slides straight into the frame and that's all good. I also didn't show the other side because it's identical. As we can see, here is the engine case cover, pretty straightforward, and of course seat cowl. So we're actually here on a different day because it's still been raining, but not as much, so I could actually put the bike outside. And we're quickly just going to have a quick run through of what the previous stock exhaust sounds like.
Can't you see what love and romance have done to me? I'm not the same.
And there we have it, we're done.
Can't you see?
As well as giving the whole exhaust a clean off, so I gave the entire bike a clean off camera.
I'm not the same.
Say that sounds a heck of a lot better. A lot louder, not obnoxiously loud, but louder, which will make it more noticeable, and as a result, more safe.